I check this out. Hello friends, this is Chef Pinto here. Hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I'm going to show how to make chicken Xacuti. As everyone knows that chicken Xacuti is very famous, very popular, and everyone loves it. Goes very well with pulao, bread, even the gravy of that you can make roast omelette. So in a simple way, I'm going to show how to make chicken Xacuti. For that, I have kept all the ingredients ready for you to make it more convenient, to make it more easy. Keep all the ingredients ready like I will show now, and you can make a better chicken Xacuti. So for that I've taken one whole chicken which is cut in medium pieces, one coconut grated whole, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder I've added in this, one tomato chop. I've taken 3 medium-size red onion sliced and kept, and I've garlic, which is 8 clove, and 1 inch of ginger peeled and kept. Cilantro, which is fresh coriander, 1 bowl, 1 cup, and 2 green chillies slit and kept. Now the dry ingredients. What I need is I've taken coriander, dry coriander, which is 1.5 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, half a teaspoon of couscous. Then I have 10 peppercorns. Then I have 5 pieces of green elaichi, cardamom, a small piece of a nutmeg, 8 cloves, and 2 star anice, half a inch of cinnamon stick, tamarind I have taken, which is half size of a lemon, and then I have red chili, which is 6 dry red chilies, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, whole cumin, and mace, which is one. It's called javithri. It is 1 each. So let's start with the cooking process now. For chicken, I have already applied salt and kept it ready. So let's start with the cooking process. We'll have to dry roast all the dry ingredients first, except the tamarind, and then we will roast coconut with turmeric powder and onions, ginger, and garlic. So let's start with the cooking process now. First, we'll dry roast all the dry ingredients. I've taken out tamarind from there. First, we'll put peppercorns, elaichi, cloves, nutmeg, star anise, and cinnamon, red chili, and mace. Except couscous, cumin, and I've kept fennel seeds and couscous. Once this is done, you have to add all the rest of the ingredients. Slightly dry roast them, do not burn, on a slow flame. And don't give too much color also. This is ready to remove now. Now we'll dry roast the this also on a slow flame. You give color by keeping it, stirring it. Now what you have to do is you have to add ginger, garlic, and out of 3 onion now I will add only 1 onion to this, and remaining 2 onion I will have keep to saute it when we cook the chicken. So friends, check this out. This is ready now. Already roasted, nice color, golden in color. You don't have to dry roast this on a high flame and don't get this burn. Otherwise, you'll have the bitter taste. On a slow flame, give color evenly by stirring it. And also, now this is ready. We'll have to grind this, or we can in a blender we can blend this. I'll turn off the flame and we'll leave this to get it cool down at ambient temperature, and then we'll have to blend this together with dry ingredients which I had roasted earlier. So now we'll start with the chicken final process. Once the oil is hot, to saute onion. So now we'll add the tomato. And also we'll add green chili. Saute it for a while. We add chicken to this. So guys, check this out. This I've already blended. This is the coconut which we dry roast together with ginger, garlic, and all the dry ingredients. And also I've added tamarind in that, adding water to make a not very fine paste, but little bit rough. You can leave this. So now I'm going to add this. Pass little water to the jar also. Get this mixed properly. And we'll leave this on a slow flame and cook till the chicken is cooked properly. So friends, the chicken is already ready now. It's all cooked. Now last stage we'll add cilantro. Mix well and we'll turn off the flame now. This is ready to be served.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.